what's up? It's me, Samari, and welcome back to my car. Today, me and Fifi, what am I doing today? Trying vegan fast food. I saw Shane Dawson do this like forever ago. Try Guys are doing it. Chris Clemens is doing it. Everyone's doing it. I even did it like 6 months ago, but I just tried McDonald's, which I later found out half of that wasn't vegan. So the difference between me doing this video and a lot of people that I've seen do this video is that I feel like a lot of the people doing this video live in Los Angeles or like New York or like metropolitan areas where like veganism is not only accepted but like normal, you know? I live in Wisconsin, so there's like 5 vegans. I know all of them. Just kidding, but no, seriously, veganism is not normal around here at all. I mean, to be vegan in the dairy state is a little strange. I mean, it's not strange, it's just like abnormal. The Wisconsin accent.
Don't you know that cheese and egg and the meat is good for you? Don't you know?
Alright, so if you guys want to see me trying vegan food in the Dairyland state, just keep on watching. I have 3 places that I'm going to go to. 4. No, 3. No, 4. Should I do 3 or 4? What time is it? 11:16. I have to work at 12:45. We'll see. We'll see. Also, do you like my keychain? Can you even see it? I have, what's his name from Pets 2? Why can't I think of his name? Fluffy? It's Kevin Hart, okay? Alright. Alright, we have arrived at Burger King. From Burger King, you can get hash browns, french fries, you can get a junior Whopper with no cheese, no mayo, no meats, which just sounds really sad to me. And you can also get what I'm going to get today, which is the French toast sticks. What are you doing? I'm going to show you what this person did because this is literally the most Wisconsin thing I've ever seen in my life. One moment, please. First of all, he's wearing a t-shirt that says Made in USA, which we love that, but you know, just takes up 17 parking spots. It's fine. That's normal, right? That's normal. I mean, it's not like he's driving a freaking Porsche. I also just want to add that I am gluten intolerant, so I'm not supposed to eat any of the things that I'm gonna eat today. So if I don't eat all of it, that's why. I don't really want to rash, and I don't really want to throw up, so...
Yeah, well, I think you can guess that I didn't follow through with this and I ate everything and I literally feel like shit. I almost threw up at work yesterday. I'm so puffy and swollen. I'm still bloated and like dying. So for the video, babes, for the freaking video.
Also, I just realized, is Burger King one of those places that only does like breakfast in the morning? Because you know how McDonald's used to do that and now they have breakfast all day? Does Burger King do breakfast all day? Like, can I get my French toast sticks or not? If I can't get my French toast sticks, I'll get French fries. Why am I anxious? I don't know why I'm so anxious right now. If you see this and you're like, Sarah, why are you doing a video about vegan food with your freaking Louis Vuitton leather wallet? It's fake. I'll say it right here. I'll say it right now. This baby ain't real, and I don't care. Hi, can I just get an order of the French toast sticks?
I'm sorry, we start serving breakfast at 11.
Oh, okay, sorry. I thought you carried those all day. I'll just get some French fries then.
What size?
I'll do medium.
Alright, and
Okay, thank you. God damn it. I hate Burger King French fries. They're a disgrace to French fry-kind. Well, if you come before 10:30, you can get French toast sticks. Also, was I rude when I said, oh, I thought they were all day? I didn't mean to be rude. Okay.
you have the medium fry?
Yeah.
Alright, so I can have to $1.99.
Alright.
You having a good day so far?
I am, are you?
Trying to at least.
That's good.
Yeah.
Gotta try, you know?
Yeah, hey, it's sunny out today, no rain.
True. First in like the entire summer.
Right. My birthday's coming up too.
Oh, really? Happy birthday.
It's turned 20.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well,
Second
hopefully it's
month,
sunny.
thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, you too. Oh, he was so nice. Hi. Thank you. You too. Okay, these are good today. Ooh, baby. I don't know if it's just because I haven't had a French fry in a long time because I've been hashtag trying to be a skinny legend, but these are freaking good. Also, that boy was so nice. My next stop is gonna be Mickey D's. McDonald's only has one certified vegan thing, and that's an apple pie. Their fries and their hash browns I used to think were vegan, but they're not. They have beef flavoring in them, which could contain beef particles, I guess. I don't really know. But those aren't vegan. You could also get, again, a burger without meat or cheese, which would literally be a bun, ketchup, onions, and lettuce. And not even like onions, like little, you know, McDonald's speckled onions. Oh, and some pickles. That might not be bad. I have my turn signal on in the drive-thru. I hate myself too. It's fine.
McDonald's, how can I help you?
Hi, can I just get an apple pie and a medium Diet Coke?
Anything else for you today?
No, that's all.
All right, your total's gonna be $2.10. Second window, please.
Thank you. Is it $1.90?
It's 210.
210. Oh.
Sorry. I'm so busy. I'm trying to focus on if it was hurting.
Oh no, you're fine. You're fine. There's 10 and 2.
Alright, you have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Oh Jesus, I'm on the curb. I'm on the curb. Hi.
Medium diet.
Yep. Thank you. You too. Just put my life together for a moment. I will see you at the next restaurant. The next one is going to be White Castle. Do you even have those where you live? Probably not. If you're vegan and you're looking for like actually really good fast food items, I would highly recommend Taco Bell. I'm a Taco Bell stan. I freaking love me some Taco Bell. Alright, and this is why I can't vlog in my car like the rest of. You're gonna get the potato taco, add pico de gallo, add guacamole. You're welcome. It's so freaking good. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's so good. For the record, when people ask me if I'm vegan, I just say I'm vegetarian because I think veganism is like the whole lifestyle. Like you can't have leather, you don't eat honey, you like are a granola queen, and I aspire to be that, and hopefully I'll be that someday. But for right now, girl, we trying, but we ain't quite there yet. Didn't even try my freaking apple pie for you. I'm driving, so I'm a little nervy, but we're just gonna do it. Okay, so this is the baked apple pie from McDonald's. If you've never tried this, go get it. I don't know what they have in it to replace the eggs and the milk. That is a little worrisome to me. Just a little bit, because I know damn well McDonald's isn't using no almond milk and vegan butter. Like, no. McDonald's would never use that. So I think there's some nice chemicals in here, which is fine. Chemical never killed anyone. We're all still alive here in the United States of America. I just dropped it on my lap. Damn, that's good. Oh my god. Holy shiitake mushrooms. Okay, I'm putting you away. I have to show you try my Diet Coke. Oh my god. Earth shattering. Also, I know I'm using a straw. I'm sorry. Oh my god. There's something about McDonald's Coke. I don't know what they put in this baby, but oh. McDonald's Coke, like Coke. Oh my god, I think it's made out of like cocaine because it is the best thing in the world. Literally, whenever I drink these, for some reason, I get teary-eyed. Is that normal? Alright, I'm gonna go choke to death. I'll talk to you later. Can I get 2 of the Impossible sliders with no cheese?
Did you want cheese on that?
No, thank you.
Okay.
And that's gonna be it.
Okay, $3.99 your first window.
Okay, thank you. That literally took 17 billion years. Billion. Yeah.
It's gonna be $3.99.
Okay.
Thank you. Right up.
Okay.
Sorry about the wait.
No, it's okay. Oh my god, I have something to tell you guys. You guys, the guy at this window is a guy that I used to crush on when I was in like 7th grade, and then we like dated for like a week and we just emailed back and forth, and I don't know if he remembers me at all because he literally hasn't acknowledged me. But like I just gave him my credit card, my name's on it. Oh my god. This is so weird. My heart is like pounding. I don't know why. Like, he's just a normal person serving me my Impossible burgers. He literally had no knowledge of me, so it's fine. But let's try these. They smell very beefy, like crazy town. Oh my god, I'm excited. Needs mustard. He asked me if I wanted mustard, and I said no, but I should have said yes. These are freaking good. White Castle, you done did it. This gluten is about to F me up. I can already feel it. Has grilled onions on it. I'm a fan. White Castle. I'm a fan. Still have my apple pie for dessert, baby. Okay, so overall, White Castle wins. Go to your nearest White Castle. The Impossible little slider things are so good. Let me know down below what other fast food places you'd want me to try this, because I'd love to do this video again. I'm not sure if I'd have them in my region, but I'd be happy to drive. That's this video. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make new videos. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week, and I would love to see you back. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what other fast food places I should try. I will try them. And yeah, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Mwah.